Welcome to Foyr, revolutionizing interior design workflows. It's 11 p.m. Your client meeting is tomorrow, and you're still waiting for those renders to finish. Sound familiar? Hi, I'm Sarah, and I've seen thousands of designers struggle with this exact challenge. But today, that changes. At Foyr, we've created professional design services that handle the technical work, so you can focus on what matters: growing your design business. Services breakdown. Custom 3D models. Need a sofa that doesn't exist in the catalogs? Or a chandelier that's just right? Starting at just $25 per model, our team creates detailed 3D models tailored to your specifications, which means no more settling for close enough again. Professional 12K renders. Your designs deserve to shine. Our ultra-high quality 12K renders capture every texture, light reflection, and detail, so your clients can instantly visualize the final space. At just $99 per room, get visuals so stunning, they'll sell your vision instantly. Accurate floor plans. Need precise professional floor plans? Starting at just $10, we deliver layouts tailored to your exact specifications. Plus, we provide editable files, giving you full control to tweak, adjust, and refine anytime. While others are still rendering, you'll be presenting simple projects, ready in 24 to 48 hours. Complex designs, delivered in 3 to 5 days. Full properties, completed in 5 to 7 days. Stop spending endless hours on technical work when you could be landing your next big client. Join designers who are growing their business with Foyr. Click the link in the description below to get started today and transform your workflow forever. And don't miss part 2 of our series, where I'll take you behind the scenes to show you exactly how we helped a designer transform a challenging multi-room project from initial brief to final client presentation, and why her client called it the smoothest design experience ever.